Hello to my factory. This is my lathe 16K20. I'm close to finish this machine repair, and now I make one more walk around of this machine. Tailstock is already assembled, but here is not yet mounted in a seal. Here is not a seal yet. Upside compound is in cleaning up processing. We can see right here our oil, candles and covers is fine. But today I want to talk about my gearbox and maybe something else. I can run my machine but in backside you can see an oil belt transmission mounted on the engine. I can run engine only. So this cover I want to wash and paint later. So what we got right here, from the engine, we get the power right here, and we see right here two clutches as drive to forward and drive to back clutch, and this is a clutch handle, and when I want to drive forward I move so, and then I move a pulley, and we can see how spindle turns. So, and when I want to drive back, so it's happening. This gearbox have a two handles by what I can exchange speed, and this gearbox have a 24 gears, and we can see it's from 12.5 to 1600 RPMs. These handles have a 6 speed and this have a 4, and by combination we can get 24 speeds. The mechanism what change the gear, it's simple as I don't know, I haven't board for this. Here we can, I hope I make a light a little bit. It's not, it's easy. Here we can see a group, and this wheel is a pin what moves this, from this side we see a wheel with you can see a group right there, and it moves this and mechanism moves another gear down there, and it's easy very, and it's simple gearbox actually. So this handle have a four speeds, it have a same low, yes, same slowest speed ever. So then one faster. And we can see a difference. Now we can see turning this side of gearbox, and when I exchange a gear and this wheel is standing. Why so? Engineers make it so to when I run machine in high speed, one half of gears can not to run, and then this way we save machine resource. And example, these gears, these bearings, shafts, etc. You know. What I forgot? Yes, brakes. This machine have a brake. This is a brake mechanism. There is a drum, and on drum is a belt. It's a how you call it in English, I don't know. It's a brake belt, you know. And when I set the clutch in neutral, then I repeat and set neutral, and this pulls the brake belt on the drum, and in this way I can turn this pulley. Clutch is in neutral, and I can't move gears. It's really good thing for machine. Before couple of years I have machine like this exactly, and I had damaged brakes, and when I set it in neutral, and chuck is keep turning very long time. This machine have a it called dry sump. You have, I hope you can see it's dry. Here we can see no oil. Why so? Because here we can see an outflow pipe from main gearbox and outflow pipe from feed gearbox right here. And this unit is a oil tank with pump. And here is a, I just set a cover. I top it up with oil, fresh oil, and a little bit talk about the filters. This is a oil filter under pressure. What is behind the oil pump? This is a gear type oil pump, and it pumps the oil through the oil filter to the main gearbox. Here we can see pipes. This is a oil splitter or oil pan. What is set right here over the gears and clutches, and then oil leaks on clutches and gears and bearings, and grease them. And when the oil comes back and it's dirty, it's called dirty, and here is a outflow oil filter, and here it is. And inside it have a magnets. So it's a magnets in plastic case, and we put it right here, and when this cover is so, and with two bolts, so it's clamped on, and oil goes through here, and then magnet takes on all iron or steel chips, etc., you know, and then stays on this stick, and later, and when it's maintenance, you can clean up this and you can save your oil life more longer. When this looks so, because it's myself repaired, when I washed this by Kircher, this brass, I don't know how it called in English, good, but it is same the material as clothes. It's I would like to say brass rag and brass filter, and I turn it around this, then by weld it, and then I fix it so, and then use a duct tape and then close the backside and so. And this thing must to be installed right to here. So, and then this is upside. Oops. I must screw it on, off, and then in this way